Lee's General Landscaping here. We are doing a paver install. We have these big square blocks, these big square stones. There was initially a patio made of brick. However, the customer requested that we swapped them with these bigger stones here. And this is what we're left with. Alright. This is good for the customer's family to enjoy, their kids. And we're going to surround the patio area with play chip, with bark. Okay. Here's the bark here. And here's the area. It's a very beautiful backyard. And a very nice patio being installed. Here's the other part of the yard. We have our team working on the mulch install. It's looking good.